A law is statements that explain one or more observations of how things in nature behave, that have survived all tests, that can easily predict future observations, and are well accepted. Now, these laws are scientific laws that we're talking about. And they are different from a hypothesis and a theory. A hypothesis, you'll remember, is going to make an explanation to an observation. And then that explanation needs to be tested, the results of the test compared to the observations, and then the hypothesis refined. And that keeps going through this series over and over again. Then, if the hypothesis survives many tests, it can possibly be elevated into a theory, where the theory is going to make future observations, and it's going to predict these future observations and maybe tweak the theory based on the results of the observations. Now, in general, theories and laws are separate because laws are going to be explaining how things in nature behave. So they're generally going to be separate. You usually don't elevate a theory into a law. It is possible, but most often a law is going to be by itself because it's going to explain how things in nature behave. Now, a law, like a theory, has survived many tests. In fact, a law can survive all tests that are thrown at it. And the law can easily predict future observations. And laws are well accepted among the scientific community as laws. These are what we mean by scientific laws.